One of the best parts about blocks is that they all share the same definition. Change that definition and all of the blocks will update. In this lesson we're going to redefine a block. On my screen I have a drawing that represents some parking stalls. Inside the stalls I have inserted some blocks. Now I'd like to change the geometry of the symbol. Since I inserted these as blocks, I only have to edit one of them and the rest of them will update automatically. To edit a block we do it the same way we edit text. Double click on it. This brings up the Edit Block Definition dialog box, where my block is currently selected. I'll come down, click OK, and this takes me into Block Editor. The Block Editor works just like Model Space. It's an environment where AutoCAD allows us to reach inside the block definition and make changes. As you can see, the insertion point of the block is located at the origin of the coordinates system. Now there are a lot of things we can do in this editor. For right now, I'd just like to change the geometry. So I'm going to come over to the Home tab and I'd like to start by erasing the straight lines at the end of the arcs. So I will select these and press delete. I will then launch the extend command and I will select the straight lines as my boundary edges and I would like to extend the arcs to meet those. Finally, I'm going to launch the hatch command and I will make sure the solid pattern is selected. And then I will click inside these open shapes. When I'm finished, I'll press enter, and when I'm finished editing my block symbol, I'll come over and click the X to close the block editor. When I do, AutoCAD asks me if I'd like to save changes to my symbol. When I chose save, you will see that every one of the associated blocks has been updated. Now in this case, we only had 3 symbols. What if we had 700? Just imagine how powerful this command can be.